How to cancel debit order on Capitec app. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can cancel debit order on Capitec app. The first step is to download and install the Capitec app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can open Play Store or App Store. Then search for Capitec and have this application installed on your device. Then open up this app. Now tap on the Sign In option, select your account type, and tap on the Get Started option. Then enter all of your credentials and log into your account. Once you have been logged in, this will be the home screen. Here, you want to tap on the option of Transact. Then from here, select the option of Debit Orders. You will find all the information about your order, including your description, amount, transaction date, and long description. Below that, you will find the option of dispute or stop. There, you want to tap on the option of stop. Then you will have to select the reason for stopping debit order. You have different reasons such as contract amount differs, contract cancelled, debit order not authorized, payment by other method. You want to select any of the appropriate reason, then tap on the next option. Now you must read the agreement before continuing because it contains important terms and conditions. Once you have gone through all of that, check these two boxes that says you have read and understood the nature and effect of the clauses. Now tap on the Accept option. Once the bank verifies, your debit order will be stopped or cancelled on the Capitec app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.